Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today we are going to discuss subject of formula. We have 2 over y equals to 3x all over x minus 1. Make x the subject of the formula, meaning we have to make x to stand one side of the equal to sign. How do we do that? We start by saying solution. We write 2 over y equals to 3x all over x minus 1. What we do, we cross multiply. Since we have equal to sign, the numerator of the left-hand side we times the denominator of the right-hand side, while the denominator of the left-hand side we times the numerator of the right-hand side. When we cross multiply, 2 we times x minus 1, which is 2 into x minus 1, and y we times 3x, which is equals to 3x times y. We just put y, a short way of writing it. Then we move further. The next step, we open the brackets. When we open bracket, we have 2x minus 2 equals to 3xy. Then what are we going to do? We collect the like terms. The like terms is wherever we see x, we combine it with the one with x. Doing that, we have minus 2. This minus, we keep the minus 2 equal to 3xy minus 2x. When 2x crosses sign of equality, it changes to minus. We can continue by factorizing the right-hand side. We have minus 2 equals, what is common here? We discover that s is common, which is x into left with 3 and y, 3y minus 2. Then we continue. We want to make x the subject of formula. To make x the subject of formula, we divide by the coefficient of x, what is attached to x. That is, we have minus 2 all over 3y minus 2 equals to x into 3y minus 2 all over 3y minus 2. 3y minus 2 can cancel 3y minus 2, left with x equals to minus 2 all over 3y minus 2. Therefore, x is equals to minus 2 all over 3y minus 2. This is the final answer. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.